butter chicken. In a small, cozy apartment, nestled in the heart of a bustling city, lived Ava and Liam, a young couple with a love for cooking and adventure. On a chilly Thursday evening, they decided to recreate a dish that held a special place in their hearts: butter chicken, a reminder of their unforgettable trip to India. Ava, with her eye for detail, carefully laid out the ingredients: bright red tomatoes, fresh cream, aromatic spices, and tender chicken. Liam, always eager to bring fun into everything, danced around the kitchen, gathering pots and pans. "Remember the tiny restaurant in Mumbai where we first tried this?" Ava asked, smiling as she marinated the chicken in yogurt and spices. "How could I forget?" Liam chuckled. "You nearly cried because it was so good." They laughed, recalling the hustle and bustle of Mumbai's streets, the vivid colors, and the tantalizing smells. As they cooked, their kitchen filled with the warm, spicy aroma of butter chicken, taking them back to those lively Indian streets. Liam took charge of the sauce, humming a tune as he sautéed onions and tomatoes. Ava watched him, her heart swelling with affection. "You're getting better at this," she teased. "Only the best for my favorite chef," Liam replied with a wink. They moved around the kitchen with ease, their love and teamwork turning cooking into a delightful dance. As the chicken simmered in the creamy tomato sauce, they set the table, choosing their favorite dishes and lighting candles to create a cozy ambience. Finally, it was time to eat. The butter chicken looked perfect, its rich sauce inviting and chicken cooked just right. They served it with fluffy naan bread, garnishing with a sprinkle of cilantro. "This looks amazing," Liam said, his eyes lighting up. Ava beamed with pride. "It's like we're back in India." Tasting the butter chicken, they were instantly transported back to those joyous days. Each bite was a blend of nostalgia and new memories being made. As they ate, they shared stories, dreams, and laughter, the bond between them growing stronger. This wasn't just a meal, it was a celebration of their love, their adventures, and the beautiful blend of cultures in their own kitchen. And so, in their little corner of the world, Ava and Liam's love story continued, one delicious dish at a time.